Garima, come on baby, breakfast is ready.
Oh no, Daddy. I have to finish my homework.
Oh, come on baby, you can do it later on. First finish your meal.
Oh, what's that? Oh my God, what's that? Ow! Ah! Ooh. He... Ow!
Hey, what happened? Did you have a bad dream? Come on dear, take it easy.
Oh, Daddy, I heard some noises coming from that card box when you were calling at me for my breakfast. I went near to it and there came out a horrible thing and it growled at me. I was so scared.
Oh, come on baby, it's just a bad dream. Just ignore it. Dreams are not real. They are not really true.
Is it really?
See the box, it's lying quite there. Now get ready and join us for the breakfast.
Huh? It's a game. Let's find out what's there. Ah! Oh, it's a puppy. Mmm.